Hello class 7. In today's class we are going to discuss some programming questions based on for next statement and while when statement. The first question is write a program in QBasic to display all even numbers from 2 to 100. The program will print all the even numbers from 2 to 100. Now let us see the program. CLS to clear the screen. 2 to 100. The first even number is 2. For e equal to 2, 200. So initial value of e is 2 and final value of e is 100. And step will be 2. Print e and next e and end of the program. It's very simple program. Like this we have done the programs before also. So just let us see the output of this program. CLS for e equal to 2 to 100. Step 2. Step 2. Print e, next e and end of the program. That's all. Very simple. Press F5. Creating exe file. And the output is here. It is printed all the even numbers from 2 to 100. Okay. So last 20 we can see, before one cannot see. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is write a program in QBasic to display all odd numbers from 11 to n. To see what is question is asking, write a program in QBasic to display all the odd numbers from 11 to n. The first initial value of here odd number is 11 and final value is n. So we do not know what is the value of n. So value of n will be input and we have to see that n value is always bigger than the 11. Then only it can print all the odd numbers from 11 to n. Okay. See the program. CLS, enter the value of n. For I equal to 11 to n, step 2. Starting from 11, step 2. Print I, next I and end of the program. Alright. So let us see. CLS, input, enter the value of n. Give the message, enter the value of n. For I equal to 11 to n, step 2. Step 2. Print I and give the next I. Next I and end of the program. The program is typed. Press F5 and the output comes. It will ask us to input the value of n. It is asking enter the value of n. Suppose I have given 35. Now see, 11 to 35, all the odd numbers are printed. 11, 13, 15 till 35. Once again, let us run this program. Press F5. Enter the value of n. Message came. This time giving 55. Now see, 11 till 55, all the odd numbers are printed. So program is clear. Next question. Question number 3 is write a program in QBasic to display the first 20 terms of the series like 5, 12, 19 using while when loop. So see how it is a series program. How the series is working? 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 7, 26 and so on. The step is of 7. Step is of 7. So accordingly we will do CLS C equal to 1. C is to count 20 terms. C is a counter variable. C is used as a counter variable. First term is 5. So n equal to 5. When we write more than one QBasic statement in one line, so you can separate them with putting the colon sign. So by putting the colon in between, we can write more than one QBasic line in a program. The CLS, C equal to 1, counter equal to 1, N equal to 5. While C less than equal to 20, counter we are checking while C value is less than equal to 20, because question is asking us to print how many terms? First 20 terms. Okay, print N, 5 is printed, N equal to N plus 7, 5 plus 7 will become 12, C equal to C plus 1, C plus 1 will become 2, when go up. Now C value is 2, 2 less than 20, yes, the print 12. 5 plus 7, 12 is printed. Now N equal to N plus 7. What is the present value of N? 12. The 12 plus 7, 19. C equal to C plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. It will go up. 3 less than equal to 20. Yes, the print N means 19. So like this, it will print all the terms of this series. How many terms? First 20 terms. Alright. Now let us write the program. CLS. Open. CLS. C equal to 1, N equal to 5, while C less than equal to 20. Print N C equal to N equal to N plus 7. N equal to N plus 7. Updation is by 7. Now C equal to C plus 1. Increasing the value of counter. Wend. And end of the program. Press F5. And you see the output comes 5, 12, 19, 26, 33. Step 7. All the terms are printed. If you want to print it in one line, then put here semicolon. In the program, print here semicolon. Now press F5. Now so it is printed in one line. Alright. So this was programming question 3. Okay. Now let us discuss one more program. Question number 4. Write a program in QBasic to find the product of first 10 natural numbers by using the while when loop. Product of first 10 natural number means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. And this is also called factorial of 10. It is also called factorial of 10 by using while when loop. The CLS, N equal to 1, F equal to 1. Okay. While N less than equal to 10, F equal to F into N, N equal to N plus 1, N value is 1, F value is 1, the 1 is less than 10, yes, the F equal to F into 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. Now N equal to N plus 1 means 2, when go up, now N value is 2, 2 less than 10, yes, the into 2, 2 is, the 2 is multiplied in F. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 less than 10, the 3 is multiplied, like this one by one, all the numbers will be multiplied in F and product is printed. Okay, so this is also called factorial of 10. Factorial means product of that number 1 to 10. Let us see the program. CLS P N equal to 1, N equal to 1, colon, F equal to 1, while N less than equal to 10. In the condition, F equal to F into N, N equal to N plus 1, N equal to N plus 1, wend, print product equal to F. product equal to semicolon F semicolon F and end of the program. Now press F5 and see the output comes product came 3628800. So today we have discussed the 4 programs. Please write these programs and practice. Thank you.